Temu, everybody they talk about this app. But it's too cheap. Something must be wrong.
Ada, I just got my order. See this bag, 4,000 on Temu. I have ordered 5 times already.
But is it real? No be fake thing?
Order and if anything go wrong, they go refund you.
Well, I check the reviews, real people, real photos. And I see purchase protection. If my order no reach me or no be wet in I order, I go get my money back.
A few moments later.
Wait. This is actually beautiful. And it fits. I think that's that. Kemi, you are right. I forgot Honda Sin.
I told you. Now you go hook.
Temu. Shop like a billionaire.